Hey everybody, Crypto Cap here with you with a video that's really heartbreaking and hard for me to make right now. We have a disaster going on here in the raisin grape industry in Central Valley of California. About 80% of our crop is out on the ground. And starting on Sunday the 18th, at around 10, 11 in the morning, started raining. It's now Tuesday morning, 10:30 in the morning. It's been raining over 48 straight hours, just straight rain. Not super hard rain, but probably accumulated over a half inch. And, in this industry, oh my God, this is disgusting. So in this industry, my family's been doing this 100 years. And this is going to be one of the worst crop losses, failures ever. Everything that's on the ground, this is not going to be salvageable. So heads up, not very good news right now from the Central Valley of California. Wish I had better. These pictures speak for themselves. This crop is going to be a whole loss. Please pray for us out in California. Pray for the farmers who just, wasted all their time and treasury growing a crop only to see it at the very last minute fail. If we had only had another week of sun. This is unheard of weather for September. Unheard of. It's foggy this morning. We are having midwinter weather in September. Everybody watch out. This isn't good. This is not good. This is not good. Please pray for the grape raisin farmer in California right now, because this is going to play out over the next year as a major disaster and crop failure. Peace and love, my Crypto Cap family. Out.